Pickup campers have a long, notable history in the world of recreational vehicles. And while many campers look very similar and have similar interior layouts, today we are looking at 5 truck bed campers that push innovation a bit further than most, including a custom design for one of the most anticipated trucks ever. Before we start, if you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you love it, subscribe and ring the bell for more videos, just like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure and let us know in the comments below.
5.
The Cabernet was designed to introduce new ideas into the truck bed camper market, while at the same time, attempting to be as sustainable as possible, cutting down on the environmental impact of each unit produced. The camper is built from a natural fiber composite that's insulated with cork. This provides strength with improved insulation, at a significantly reduced weight. It also allows them to craft an extremely attractive camper shell. The Cabernet has a high-tech, very sleek look with smooth curves, sleek lines, and narrow windows at the top. It looks like you have a futuristic shuttle attached to the back of your truck. And while at first glance the Cabernet looks large, it's actually quite small and could easily fit on the back of mid-sized pickups like the Ford Ranger. The only entry doors are at the rear, double doors that open up, and the first thing you notice is there is extra storage and compartments built into them. As you walk in, you raise the pop-top roof that's built into the smooth shell, giving you plenty of standing room. Once inside, immediately to the left there is a 2-burner cooktop, a removable refrigerator freezer, and plenty of storage. On your right is a clever, fold-away sink with a faucet that doubles as a shower head. In the rear is the dinette that can seat 3 to 4 people comfortably with a table between. The bed folds up into the ceiling when not in use, and then down when you're ready to sleep. There is no built-in toilet, but a porta-potty could stow in several of the storage areas. Pricing starts at $54,000.
4.
The Azar was created as an inspiration for long journeys overland, across difficult terrain, to reach inaccessible places only an off-road 4x4 pickup can reach. The shell is made of a glass fiber composite with a plywood frame, giving the camper an excellent combination of strength and lightness. It also makes for a very unique shape which cuts a more aerodynamic path through the air. The Azar 4 has a large double-door entry at the back of the camper which splits in two, with the lower portion providing steps to enter. Immediately to your left is the kitchen equipped with a 2-burner gas stove, a sink, and optionally a microwave and small fridge. There is additional storage above and below. To your immediate left is the bathroom. A waterproof module can be equipped with a porta-potty, shower, and even a sink. Toward the front is the living area which features 2 bench seats with storage beneath and a table between, a great place to eat or get some work done. The table also folds down and converts to another sleeping area. The main sleeping area is unique in that it folds up and looks like a back wall until you need it, hiding the bed. Flanking the bed is additional storage with built-in speakers and controls for the water levels and solar power indicator.
3.
Bond was started by Ryan Bond, an aircraft industry engineer and U.S. Olympic team alternate. He could never find the right camper for his family needs, so he decided to design his own. Each Bond camper starts with the same basic outside shell that weighs 700 pounds. Customers are then free to design the interior as they desire. Today we are looking at a flatbed variant, but just know you can have a custom version created just for you. As mentioned previously, we are looking at one of their custom builds, built on a pickup flatbed. As you enter, an enormous interior greets you. Immediately to your left is the dinette/lounge area, located at the back of the camper. The table can also fold down, giving you an extra sleeping area. Surrounding the dinette on all sides are large panoramic windows, giving you a great view of the outdoors. Heading forward on your right is the wood-burning stove and chimney, a unique addition to be sure. Behind that is the wet bath, which is set up with a rainfall shower head in the ceiling, a teak floor, and a porta-potty you can remove when taking a shower. Opposite is the galley with a traditional stove, 3-burner gas cooktop, a drawer fridge and freezer, and an extremely large deep sink. Finally, the sleeping area is above the truck cab, with a large comfortable bed and storage on either side. The starting prices average around $350,000.
2.
While not quite the longevity of its Norse god namesake, Loki has been in the design engineer fabrication business for 15 years. The base camps are Loki's solution to explore remote locations with total freedom and the design to allow you to drop off the camper and still use your vehicle. Loki has two base camps. The larger Falcon series, and the one we are looking at today, the smaller Icarus model. It lacks the body flares of its larger sibling, and some of its height, but there is still an impressive amount of innovation and interior space inside. You enter a unique mudroom using the double doors in the rear, allowing you to remove your wet and dirty clothing before entering the living interior. On the right-hand side is the seating area with a lagoon swivel table and storage for the porta potty beneath. Opposite is the galley with a small sink, a portable cooktop, small fridge, and storage underneath. In front is a large bed above the truck cab with windows forward to take in the sights. Pricing starts at $69,000.
1.
Our number one is a concept, but I think that if the company is able to deliver their vision, it will become something really special. The Cyberlander fits one truck, and one truck only, the Tesla Cybertruck. It was designed to fit within the uniquely shaped bed of the Cybertruck, fitting perfectly flush so that the rear rolling cover barely clears it. Then, once open, the camper telescopes upwards, giving you your living space. I was skeptical of the idea, but they've recently shown a proof of concept of the camper telescoping mechanism, so I have more hope. This camper is only available for use when the Cybertruck sliding cover is slid open and the camper is raised. This means there is a setup and breakdown process to using the camper, but also while not deployed, you'd have no idea the camper was even there, plus I'd assume an improvement in wind coefficient. Once deployed, there is a small step that swings into place allowing you to enter. The space inside consists of two areas. The first to your left is the bathroom, complete with a compact sink, shower head, and toilet. Then further ahead is the living area, which uses two freestanding chairs that convert into the sleeping area. There is also a sink, refrigerator, and an induction cooktops built into the counter. There are 6 large windows total, allowing a surprising amount of light into the camper. As mentioned before, for now, this is only a concept, but as soon as it becomes available, we will go into more detail for you. We're excited to see it too. All of these entries push the design of the truck bed camper a little further along the path of innovation, style, and bearing a certain coolness factor many models today lack. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. But if you loved it, consider subscribing for more videos just like this one, injected directly into your YouTube feed. I'm Noah, thanks for watching.